Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the quote which is as follows. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Once again I repeat the quote. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. So, all human beings keep on trying new things. For every difficulty, we try to find out different kinds of solutions. We keep on trying until we find the perfect solution for any problem. For example, if a child is in a school and is not able to clear his exam, so it is the best opportunity to begin again and try to find out what mistakes he did in his exams. So he was not able to solve the questions. One should sit and analyze himself. If possible, write down on a paper what mistakes one has done, so the result is not up to the mark which he really wanted for himself. It is not only about his studies, it can be about anything in life. There are so many problems. It may be financial, socio-economic, health issues, family problems. It could be anything. First of all, analyze the mistakes which are committed by you. Write it in a point-wise manner. Then analyze it thoroughly. Then work on each of the mistakes. For example, if you have not studied well the subject in which you got less marks, then first read the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus. Then study each and every topic thoroughly and understand it by the basic concepts. If necessary, take the help of mentor, of your teachers who will guide you in the particular subject. If you understand the basic concepts of the subject, after some days, you will enjoy studying that particular subject. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you will be able to connect the things present in your surroundings and understand in a much better way. So it will not be a burden, but you will be enjoying while studying that particular subject. You will be deeply involved in the studies. You will learn new things day by day. And by practicing on a regular basis, you will become extraordinary in that particular subject. You will be much faster and accurate and solve problems in an easier manner. Then getting good marks will become game for you, which you will enjoy every time when you give any of the exam, and you will become expert in that particular subject, which will make you happy, and the people present in your surrounding will also become happy, which will ultimately lead to world unity, world peace, and development of humanity, and there will be happiness all around. Thank you.